This is my car, and today we're gonna be talking about the 5 things I love about my car, and at the end of the video, we're gonna be talking about the 1 thing I absolutely hate. Okay, so the first thing I love is the paint job, and not just the colors, but what the texture is made out of. All right, so if you look at the car close enough, you see it's like concrete. It's like when I go like that, it hurts. And if I were to punch it, it probably wouldn't be good for my knuckles. Like, I think that makes the color pop out even more, but it's also a cool thing. The only issue with that is if someone's like, hey, can I check out the car? I gotta be like, oh yeah, be careful. Or if they're like sitting in the car and they gotta get out, I'd be like, all right, don't scratch yourself. But other than that, I think it's one of the coolest things, and I've never seen it before. And the other reason I love the paint so much is to wash it, all you have to do is just spray water with a power washer. Like, you don't have to scrub, because guys, the dirt literally just falls off the material. And to give you a better understanding of what it might feel like if you don't know, it's literally like a truck bed liner. So if you have a truck bed that has like the liner on it, it's that, but on the whole car. Number 2 is the interior. Boom. Guys, it's literally the same color as the outside. Look at that, it's split down the middle. So like when you're driving, it's literally like you see the 2 colors and then you follow the colors in and it's still the 2 same colors. And then my girlfriend's mom got me the colored cup holders, so that's super sick. And look at that, that's so nice. And if you guys are wondering why the car is split this way, this is my side of the car, that's my girlfriend's side of the car. So look at that. Literally even the paint job on the back panel right there goes with the split. Isn't that the coolest thing? Have you guys ever seen anything like this? And the interior itself is like these really cool looking seats. Look at that. Wow. The other cool thing I like about the interior is that is the back part of the car, so I literally can't look outside from here. That's why. Basically, this is an electric mirror. Let me turn it on, you guys could see. There we go. Now we could see the outside and the back. Not only does this record, and after a while it resets, so if something happens, I have it on camera, so don't try to do anything. And I could also swipe through and see the front. Look at that. But yeah, so I can't see through here, so I have to use the camera. I guess I like it because with the camera, you could literally see everything. You could see the cars next to you, behind you, on top of you, under you. That would be crazy if there was like a UFO above me and this camera showed it. But I think it's super sick. Number 3, the slant back. It literally has like its own window. It's not really a window, you can't see anything, but that just makes the car look so much nicer than if it was just a regular truck bed. Like, look, that's the car, and that's the slant back. Instead of just stopping there and being like that, it's a whole, like, it adds to the car. And the cool thing with that is, look, so it opens like this, and then I could unlock this and slide it up, and you get all the trunk space right there. And like, this is what I meant, guys. This material is the same material as the car. But I just think the slant back is the coolest thing. And then here it is on the blue side. Whoa. I'll do another video where I show you guys the price point of everything, but let me just say, the slant back was a little pricey, but I had to get it done. Number 4 is the wheels, not just the tires, the literal wheels. If you don't see this and you think it's the coolest thing, it matches the exact color, but they're also extremely massive. Funny story is, you guys see the F right there? It stands for like, what is it? It says it right there. I don't know. It's like that's the brand basically. But people would see it and be like, oh my goodness, those are 4G autos. If you don't know what 4G autos are, basically, I think every single rapper uses them on their cars, and they're expensive and they spin really cool. This is not that, but people think it's that. I guess, I don't know. I just think they look super cool. And then here's the blue ones. Look at that, literally the same color. What if I put the pink ones on this side and the blue ones on the other side, so it's mismatched? Like, also to give you guys a comparison, like, there's the key. You could see how big that tire is. And there's a spare tire there, but I'm pretty sure that spare tire isn't one of these, because these are pretty expensive and I don't think one would fit over there. So I think that's just the regular Jeep Gladiator tire. Also, I didn't even mention it. This car is a Jeep Gladiator that's been converted into this. So in case you guys were wondering, I guess some of you might have known, some of you might have not known. But that brings me to number 5. Because on the back of the car, it says my name. Literally says Kia. So this is number 5. This is my 5th most loved thing about the car, is that it says my name. Does that make me sound like I'm self-centered, maybe, I don't know, but I think it's super cool. Put my name on it. But people will see this and literally be like, oh, it's a Kia. No, it's not a Kia, it's my name. Funny story is my girlfriend was listening to people having a conversation outside the car and they go, what is that, a Cybertruck? What is that? No, it's a Jeep. And then someone goes, oh, it's just a Kia. But overall, the reason I got this car is you're not gonna see this car on the freeway. You're not gonna see this car on the street. You probably won't see this car anywhere in these colors with this style. And I think it's cool. I mean, you see we have the Tesla right here, same style. Let me know if you guys wanna see a review of that. Now it is time to talk about the one thing that I absolutely hate about this car. I had to come inside to do this one because the thing I hate the most about this car is driving it on the freeway. Now I know it might not be a freeway designed car, but guys, when you drive this on the freeway, it feels like this is what it feels like when you're driving on the freeway. You have to hold the steering wheel with both hands. You literally have to hold the steering wheel with both hands and you're going like this the whole time. You literally cannot just chill because the car is shaking, it's moving, it's jumping, it's doing everything. And it's not very comfortable on the freeway unless you're going 20 miles an hour on the freeway. I know what you guys are saying. This car is made for off-roading. Have I off-roaded it? No. I drive it on the freeway. But that's the one thing I cannot stand. But if you guys do want to see me do a driving review of this, I'll drop that on one of the next videos. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, here's the car. Let me know what you guys want to see me do next with it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.